everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to yet again another episode of Chef Sophie and Friends. This is going to be season 2. Ta-da! I welcome you guys to here at the special studio which is called the S Studio. And you know, I absolutely love the feedback because I remember that the first season of Chef Sophie and Friends, in which all of my friends were over, तो किसी ने कुछ बनाया, किसी ने dessert बनाया, किसी ने कोई मज़े की salty dish बनाई. But this time around, you know what I was thinking? I was thinking, let's talk about couples, let's talk about pairs. So I have especially invited different couples and pairs, चाहे वो parents हो और बच्चे हो, चाहे वो माँ हो और बेटी हो, वो best friends हो, वो husband and wife हो, वो कोई भी हो, but they have to bring a bit of spark to the table. So as you can see, we have this setup over here courtesy of Food Forest. These guys have always been brilliant. I absolutely love their ingredients. I was actually checking out the Kimchi Girl also in case you guys love Korean food. And this one is courtesy of Bavli Bawarchin. I just love the way that these guys are handling everything, their presentation as well. And that one thing that I love about Food Forest is that they encourage and support local entrepreneurs and local farmers, जो कि हमारी पहचान है. अब ज़रूरी को नहीं किसी का ठप्पा लगा अमेरिका का, इटली का, फ्रांस का. हम सोचे यार बड़ी बात है, डेनिश चीज़ें आ रही हैं हमारे पास, तो इसमें कोई बात होगी नहीं. Why? Pakistani ingredients, Pakistani khana, they should be our identity, we should be proud. So, on the first episode of Chef Sophie and Friends, ta-da, presenting this duo, this couple, this pair who I fondly love. They are crazies, a bit out there, cuckoo in the head, mad hatters, and I absolutely love them. You ready? Let's call them. Okay everybody, so finally it's time for me to roll out the red carpet and welcome Mandana and Sanjana. Ta-da! Hello! Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak! And Eid Mubarak to you. How are you? यार बड़ी गर्मी है कसम से. पहले I had to think twice before hosting this episode. I was like यार इतनी गर्मी है, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do.
कोई पकाने के शौकीन
है ना?
But हम, you know, we are going to cook.
Exactly.
Eid.
Absolutely.
Not be forgiven.
Absolutely. Now you guys know कि मैंने इन दोनों को क्यों बुलाया, so that they can cook for me and I can just relax and take it easy. So Sanjana, how is it going here? How did you spend your summer?
Summer was hot.
It was hot.
It's not over yet.
Yeah, it's not over yet. Absolutely. So I see a lot of interesting things over here. So this is the first episode of Chef Sophie and Friends season 2. Mandana, आप ये क्या हसीन चीज़ बनाने लगी? Explain please.
यार सबसे आसान इस गर्मी में बनाने की चीज़ जो है ना वो पास्ता है.
Okay. Agree.
Pasta. So we are going to make pesto pasta.
Pesto pasta.
And the best part is कि ये आप spinach में भी बना सकते हैं, आप basil में भी बना सकते हैं. So the thing is कि पाकिस्तान में basil तो आसानी से नहीं मिलता, वो winters में आसानी से मिल जाता है.
But हमें फिर भी मिल गया.
इसलिए हमने ये dry basil भी रखा है और हमने spinach भी रखा है.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
So I love spinach and Sanjana loves it too.
You know, it
so
reminds me of Popeye.
Yeah.
So I mean, I used to love the cartoon when I was a kid. I'm ancient, you know. I think both of us are ancient, but old is gold, as they say. Okay.
Spinach man.
Yeah, the spinach man gives you muscles for sure. Okay, so Sanjana, who's going to do the cooking? Have you guys divided the duties or what?
I think let's put the pasta to boil.
Okay.
I've already done that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So a little bit of salt.
Little bit of salt. Okay.
No
so
oil.
No oil. All right, that's interesting. So no oil. How come?
Because you don't actually need the oil.
Okay.
It's just you just have to keep stirring. Oil is just made to not stick, but if you put oil, you're just adding more fat and stuff.
And adding more calories. So avoiding more oil is the best part.
I agree. अच्छा मंदाना, मुझे ये बताओ कि मुझे आप एक awards हुए थे तो मुझे आप बड़ी अच्छी और प्यारी लग रही थी. You look beautiful in black. So क्या चल रहा है आजकल? What's going on?
Actually चल कुछ नहीं रहा है. I was in Hunza. I loved going back to Hunza. I was in Hunza. The weather was nice. I was with friends, and we did a lot of. Had a lovely time. Yeah. It was like when you're with friends and you know, आपको पता ही नहीं चलता time गया कहाँ.
हाँ, I agree.
The moment was like 5 days of bliss.
Yeah.
So no duties.
Absolutely. अच्छा मैं वैसे pictures और videos वगैरह देख रही थी and I was really, you know, just getting entertained by everything as well. Anyway, so आप मुझे ये बताओ कि how long is this going to take though? Because you know, quick fix recipes.
सबसे पहले हमें चाहिए
garlic,
लहसुन. और लहसुन हम तैयार करेंगे और लहसुन हम जितना छोटा रखेंगे उतना उसका जूसी हमें वो मिलेगा. और इसको हम थोड़ा सा टू स्टार्ट विद काट कर तैयार कर लेंगे ताकि हमारा सॉस तैयार हो सके।
ओके
So,
ओके
क्योंकि हमारा पास्ता बॉईल हो रहा है और हम
Almost
साथ में उसका सॉस तैयार करके उसमें डालेंगे और हमारा पास्ता तैयार हो जाएगा। सो द बेसिक स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट इज ऑलवेज लहसुन।
Always the lesson. Acha Sanjana, tell me something. So I remember that when I had Ali Noor over on my show, which is about a zillion times I've had him over on the show, and वो उससे मैं ये नहीं पूछती कि आप अपनी ईद कैसे गुजारते हैं, क्योंकि मुझे पता है वो अपनी ईद कैसे गुजारते हैं, okay? But I want to know your Eid. How do you spend your Eid?
How do I
days?
spend my Eid?
Yeah.
Okay, so originally, what I do is in the morning, जब हमें कहीं नहीं जाना
हाँ.
होता, I lock the door, मैं बैठती हूँ अपने कमरे में, listen to music, my mother's banging on my door.
Seems like a regular, normal every day, huh?
My pajama
Mother's banging on the door, huh?
And I'm having chips and stuff like that for
Okay,
breakfast
okay.
because
Chips or French fries or what?
no, like
हाँ.
junk food for like waffles जो भी
Okay.
मैं खुद बना लेती हूँ ना.
हाँ.
Yeah, she loves to cook, so
हाँ.
she goes in the kitchen and cooks whatever she wants. whatever she wants.
क्या
Okay, to be
बात
honest,
है?
the only thing I can cook is like noodles, nuggets, and pasta.
Pasta, you know
That's
that I noticed one thing that I mean Sanjana was like the headliner over here because she was like dictating everything. This is what you're gonna do. This is what you're gonna do. Okay, so does your dad know how to cook?
He knows how to cook one thing, like one pasta dish, but that's it. And it's
Really?
very basic.
Which one?
He puts vegetables and oyster sauce and soy sauce and
Ooh.
like what else?
Yeah, I
Chicken.
like that.
Yeah,
Chicken,
yeah.
हाँ, of course. अच्छा ठीक है.
He likes doing like Chinese noodle type thing.
Okay, okay. हाँ वैसे ये तो है. He likes Chinese for sure.
Yes.
That's one thing.
We all know that.
We all know that. Let me tell you something. हम लोगों ने एक प्लान बनाया था कहीं जाने का. या तो ये गवाल मंडी जाते हैं, ठीक है, देसी खाना खाने, या उनको पसंद है चाइनीज. है अली नूर और मंदाना के घर यही मिलता है. Okay. So I see some lemons over here also.
Yes.
And olive oil.
On the top, we will put some lemon.
ठीक
अभी
है.
हम इसको olive oil में डालेंगे गार्लिक को.
ठीक है.
और हम अपना गार्लिक के साथ उसका सॉस तैयार करना शुरू करेंगे.
यार ये मुझे क्रीम भी नजर आ रही है यहाँ पे. तो क्रीम का क्या रोल है इसके अंदर?
Cream जो है अभी हमारे सॉस में डलेगी.
अच्छा.
So while I am starting that, Sanjana, why don't you take the cream out and start?
हाँ.
ब्लेंडर नहीं है.
हाँ.
तो हम blender को बगैर किस तरह बनाएंगे कि अब हमने
देखिए आपको पता है ना कॉन्सेप्ट ये दिस इज DIY ओके डू इट योरसेल्फ एवरीवनस गोना बी डूइंग इट देमसेल्फ शुक्र है किचन है हमारे पास शुक्र है ये चूल्हा जल रहा है पीछे आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट ओके सो व्हाट डिड यू डू विद दिस
Okay, so the thing is, the water
Yeah.
inside the spinach we don't need.
Okay.
Because we need to be completely dry so you can absorb all the fats and stuff. From
Interesting.
The
We're going to
milk.
show a bit of a close up of this as well, just so that you guys can understand what
Very
we're
dry.
talking
You
about. Okay,
Okay,
cool scene.
अब हम इसको डालने लगे हैं अपने पैन में.
ठीक है,
Okay.
cool scene.
Then get me some oil.
Oh. There you go. अच्छा, so everybody who's watching this right now, आपको पता है कि Eid is around the corner, so we're just very excited about cooking and stuff.
वो जो है मुझे ला के दे लाल मिर्च.
Lal mirch. This one?
Yes.
Okay, so you're using the chili powder, na?
Yes.
The chili pepper वाला.
Well,
ठीक है.
not the लाल मिर्च.
Not
लाल
the
मिर्च.
हाँ ठीक
But
है.
this one
Crush.
because इसका फ्लेवर ज़्यादा होता
हाँ.
है और तेज नहीं होता.
I know.
So हमें अच्छा और जब तक ये थोड़ा सा ब्राउन नहीं हो जाएगा
हाँ.
हम इसमें कुछ नहीं डालेंगे.
Okay. But you know the thing about all these dry fruits is very interesting that you know the shape of a walnut is like a brain.
Yeah.
That's why they say that it's very good for your mind. You know, sharp होता है आपका mind. इसलिए मैंने काफ़ी walnuts खा रही हैं. फ़र्क तो कोई खास पड़ा नहीं मगर चलो उम्मीद तो दुनिया
नहीं
कायम
थोड़ी
है.
देर बाद पड़ जाएगा कुछ नहीं होता.
Good shot, Sanjana. I like that. अच्छा, so do you like baking?
No.
You know, you don't
No,
have a sweet tooth.
Absolutely not. I mean I like sweet food. I hate baking.
Really?
I only cook when I'm hungry. I don't really. I mean I like watching cooking stuff
Yeah.
rather than actually cooking.
Okay. So you like watching, say, something on TV which is related to MasterChef or perhaps chefs cooking something or
Yeah,
get
Gordon
to baking
Ramsay
together.
yelling.
Gordon.
best.
I think he's a bit overrated though, no?
No. Gordon Ramsay yelling is always underrated.
True. I understand what you're talking about there. अच्छा मंदाना मुझे बताओ कि for all your fans because I've been getting a lot of requests also. तो मैंने जब उनको बताया था that there's a teaser and Mandana might be coming over on the show and they were asking me about your next video project because you're known as a director, a cool video director. तो क्या सीन है? क्या हो रहा है?
अरे यार अभी तो कोरोना हो रहा है बस.
यार वैसे वाकई cool.
तो अच्छा अब हम इसको ऑफ कर देंगे क्योंकि मैं इसको ओवर कुक और बर्न नहीं करना.
Okay. And how long is it going to take for the pasta to be okay?
This is done.
Okay.
So I was going to take this off.
So it took about like 15 to
Because
20
ये अब
minutes.
soft हो गया है.
सही है.
The tricky bit is that हमने इसकी starch
हाँ.
जो इसमें पानी है
अभी नहीं
वो
डालना
भीगना नहीं,
और
ठीक
अभी
है.
नहीं डालना
वो भीगना नहीं है.
हाँ.
So हमने इसको रखना है.
ठीक है.
एंड पास्ता को सारा पानी नहीं, थोड़ा सा भी हमें मिल जाए उसका
हाँ.
पानी जिसमें हम इस पास्ता को कुक करें.
ठीक है.
So it will help us make the sauce.
Okay. All right.
Okay?
Got it.
bind the sauce
Okay.
So now we're going to
Interesting. अच्छा वैसे ये हमेशा I remember my mom used to always tell me पीछे हो जाओ I'm going to do this myself.
yeah, because it's quite hot.
हाँ, it is. Acha, you know, Mandana, how it is that sometimes you develop tastes, right? Like I remember the first time I tasted sushi, I didn't really have a good taste for it. And then you just have to develop the taste. So has it happened to you also when it comes to, you know,
Yes,
different
of
kinds
course,
of...
with
Yeah.
food that you are not used to.
है ना?
हम सुशी तो नहीं खाने वाले ना, हम तो खाते हुए कुकर शुकर मुर्गियाँ और चिकन बड़े हुए हैं. So yes, the pastas and sushis, all these things I have developed a taste.
हाँ, agreed.
And I think हमारा जो यहाँ का Chinese है, वो तो असली Chinese से बहुत दूर है.
I agree.
So when we went to Canada and we tried the asli Chinese,
Authentic
we were
Chinese.
Like, oh, yeah, this is not good.
This is not... I love the greasy Pakistani, desi
Yeah.
Chinese, man.
Full of oil. And
I know. Acha,
and
ye,
corn flour.
Yeah, I know. That is so true. I think the more oily and greasy it is, the more tasty it becomes
Yes.
also.
Okay,
now
now we are going to put the spinach.
the spinach.
In the sauce.
All right, ठीक है. और इसके अंदर you have to add in a bit of your starch that you put out.
संजना
ठीक है.
milk डालती जाएगी.
All right.
cream
और
Milk or cream?
first milk
हाँ. पहले आप मिल्क डालती जाना, मैं ये डालती जाती हूँ और चम्मच हिलाती जाती हूँ. ठीक है संजू? So लहसुन जो है और जो quantities हैं कि कितनी size की कितना क्या क्या
हाँ.
होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
The most important bit is कि आपके पास जो पालक की quantity है वो अगर आपको पास्ता बहुत ज़्यादा green वाली feel में चाहिए, like you need more spinach.
Yeah,
more
which is
saucy.
exactly how we're planning on doing.
Yes.
ठीक है.
So then you can have less pasta, more spinach.
ठीक है.
Mixture of और वो जितना आपको उसकी स्पाइस चाहिए आप उतनी स्पाइस रख लो.
मैं अपनी मामा के से उनके फ्रेंड्स के साथ इटली गई. ठीक है. So we were there at a really nice coffee shop and we ordered pizza. So when the pizza came in, I was like, Mama, यार जरा ketchup या कुछ sauce वगैरह. So I ordered it. The chef came out. He was like, what? He got offended. He's like, what? You don't like my pizza? How dare you?
They don't like putting things on.
Yeah, and I was like, sorry, यार गलती हो गई यार, माफ कर दो.
Sanjana is now putting the walnuts in it.
Like a pro, like a pro. I think Chef Sophie and Friends season 3 में I found a brand new host for you, which is going to be Sanjana, because she knows everything from the right amount of ingredients to add to everything related to how it looks. Good job.
it's all in a day's work
All in a day's work. It's going to be worth it. As you guys can see also, now this is how it looks, and
Yeah.
I think low flame per you guys are going to let it be for a while, right?
yes
How long though? About 5 minutes?
5-10 minutes हम देख लेते हैं. साथ साथ हम देखते रहेंगे इसको. क्योंकि अभी जो फ्लेवर है वो इतने साथ blended नहीं है.
हाँ.
and
The
the
taste
texture
are
हाँ.
very separate.
Yeah,
जैसे
yeah,
आपको
I know.
मिर्च का taste
I
आ
know.
रहा है,
कि
कहीं
नमक
का
का,
आ रहा है.
हाँ.
So now when they cook together,
हाँ.
they will blend in
Okay.
and the flavor will be like off together.
Okay, okay.
One thing.
also the spinach will kind of diffuse within the milk so it'll be a more creamy a more
Yeah,
sauce like
yeah.
thing
Cool
So
scene.
ये इसको बहुत ही हल्की आंच में because there's cream in it, there's milk in it.
ठीक है.
for at least 15 minutes
इसको
For
हम
at least 15 minutes. Okay. And
देंगे while we do the clean up.
the clean up and then
Let's do the
lemons.
clean up, Sanjana.
Sanjana, I want you to do this. Let's see. Let's see if
that
you do.
2 or 3?
Yeah, this is 2. Let's see. Ah,
3
there you
you
go.
want me to make another
Yeah,
mix?
yeah, yeah. Do it.
with 3
Yeah, with 3. Okay, well, let's try and do it with 2 then. And then we can just, you know. Yeah, beta brand. Shabash. But good try. I will give you brownie points for trying. Mandana,
Yeah.
your turn. Okay. यार मेरे हाथ से बिगड़ गए यार. अच्छा, ये लो. There you go.
Lemon heart दे दिया क्या?
Okay.
let's try.
1, 2, 3, go.
I've never done this before.
Okay, good job, good job. Not bad, not bad, not bad.
Speed was very
Mangoes.
You're the winner.
I am the winner. Acha, I like the fact that Sanjana is very hands-on when it comes to the kitchen. Like she's a pro. Like we didn't have to tell her anything. She's just like taking charge and doing whatever she's doing because she knows what to do. Good job, man.
So हमने
Yeah.
टाइम नोट किया था, अभी इसको 5 मिनट हुए।
I love your watch, Mandana. It's such a nice watch. Very pretty.
ये देखिए अब वो तो हमें उस पर नजर रखनी पड़ेगी बिकॉज ये बहुत ही जल्दी क्या कहते हैं चिपक सकता है।
So it's your choice. I mean, you can keep it very creamy also, and then you can
Of
just keep
course.
it very grainy also. It totally depends. Okay, so the lemon juice is getting ready.
We're not gonna add all of it, but it's good to have enough.
Our sous chef in the house.
माई रूल इज कि जब आप कुछ बना रहे हो तो साथ साथ आप क्लीन अप करते हो
Agreed.
बिकॉज द किचन हैज टू लुक क्लीन
Yeah, yeah.
एंड सो आई लव द मोमेंट आई एम डन
हाँ.
मेरे को कि ये इधर से साफ हो जब तक मेरा ऊपर डन रहा है।
Acha, pata hai, in school I had this food and nutrition class, and I remember our teacher used to give us extra points if we used to make everything clean. Right? She was like, yeah, what's the point of you guys cooking in the kitchen when everything's going to be dirty?
My
You know?
mother used to tell me
हाँ.
कि किचन में आप आई हैं
हाँ.
किचन में आके आप पका के चली
हाँ,
गई
हाँ.
तो पता भी नहीं चलना चाहिए कि आप आई और कब गई।
Ah, agreed. Just share a story. Now share a story of Sanjana in the kitchen, perhaps an adventure that she had in the
Like
kitchen.
12 a.m. making nuggets.
हाँ.
So,
She's always, you
Yeah.
know, अच्छा रमजान था
हाँ.
तो रमजान में she said कि मैं रोजे रखूंगी। मैंने कहा ठीक है।
ये पिछले रमजान में?
हाँ,
अच्छा.
जो।
हाँ.
So,
And then I want to know this story.
अपनी सहेली के लिए उठना था।
हाँ.
I think I made तो संजना ने अपनी कुछ बनाना शुरू
I think I made noodles and things like that.
For Sari.
She's too busy
Instead.
having her own
Ruafza.
food।
हाँ.
तो अपना खाना वाना बना कर बंदी पे बैठ गई
हाँ.
अपना खा रही है। So you know the level of independence and the level of self love was like I was like अच्छा ठीक है भाई अब तो मैं खुद बैठती हूँ और अपना नाश्ता बनाती हूँ।
अच्छा ना किसी से पूछा ना कुछ
नहीं,
किया
नहीं,
हाँ
आज़ाद है हम।
आज़ाद है हम I love that speaking of आज़ाद है हम tell me
Yes.
about Azad is he like coming to the kitchen watching
Oh
you guys
yes of course
हाँ.
when I told him
We are very
हाँ.
तो he was like कि मैंने भी कुक करना है मैं भी चलूँगा so I was like yeah let's do that
हाँ, उस छोटू को भी
next
ले
time.
आते यार
तो
assistant
यहाँ
के
पे
तौर पे।
बैठे वो भी कह रहा था मैंने क्या करना है मैंने क्या करना है मुझे तो
उसको ना उसको सफाई पे भी लगा दिया करो ना साथ साथ चलो
सब कुछ
शाबाश
करता है।
हैं?
वो he did washes the dishes
I did forced to do laundry जो होते हैं ना laundry
हाँ.
dryer. He actually likes it. So
Really?
he's
Very
he's a very
handy boy यार
handy
हाँ
future
Mr. All Rounder
generation of male.
I love that. Acha, I love this about you, Mandana, that you have raised your children in such a good way that there's no
Equality.
gender when it comes to what they're
No
doing.
way.
You
No
know?
way. Actually, I think before I would not take the credit. I think
Yeah.
my mother also raised me. My two brothers used to be in the kitchen. My
Yeah.
elder brother
Yeah.
used to bake with her.
Yeah.
And she used to love baking with my brother.
Yeah.
तो वो एक जो प्रोसेस था वो बहुत इंजॉय करती थी
हाँ.
मैं कभी बेक करी कभी कुछ बना रही हूँ
हाँ.
कुछ करी सो आई थिंक आई लर्नड इट देयर आई सॉ माय ब्रदर्स इन द किचन एंड नाउ आई फील कि अब तो आई थिंक अ मैन इज इनकम्प्लीट
Yeah, agree.
if he does not know how to cook
Absolutely.
It's a life skill.
because
It is, यार.
it's like यार आपको अगर फ्लेवर्स का पता नहीं है वो आपको इस इमोशन का पता नहीं
हाँ.
है आपने एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया है स्मेल्स को और
है ना?
फ्लेवर्स को तो फिर आप खाते क्या हैं
The
तो
aroma.
you're not enjoying the
I
food.
agree and Mandana I feel कि देखो अब वो पुराने वक्त ना अब गुजर गए हैं
हाँ.
and we really need to be ahead of our times also and I love that about you.
And men look so nice cooking.
Yeah. All right, so we're
Do
ready.
you want to-
We have the lemon juice. आप इधर ले आओ.
यहाँ ले आओ.
Okay, everybody, as you can see, we have this dish ready.
So अगर आपके पास स्पैचुला है तो उससे आपका
Oh
sauce
my
जाता है.
God.
This looks great.
This looks fantastic, yaar. Acha, let me share a secret. I am supposed to be on a 6 weeks diet.
Oh my
But
God.
today is going to be my cheat
day.
meal. Okay,
Yeah.
this is going to be my cheat meal, man.
So I'm not in favor of wasting my sauce.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
she's
So
gonna
I'm
mix
going
it.
to put it in it
हाँ.
and I'm going to make sure that I get whatever sauce is possible.
And you got quite a lot.
Yeah.
It-
So it's
अच्छा
nice
मुझे ये
and
चीज़ अच्छी लगी है that Mandana is very easy with everything. It's like you know जो expert बंदा होता है जिसकी आदत होती है किचन में ज़रा थोड़ी देर ख्वारी करने की है Mandana. This looks so good.
You should,
So
you
now
should have
we
the
will
first bite.
bring the serving plate. Please.
So how are you guys going to serve it? Do you want to
It's
serve it in a
this bowl.
flat
No.
straw? Do you want to serve it?
That boy यार इसमें plate में इतना प्यारा लगता है ये.
अच्छा अब किस में क्या डिसाइड किया
It's
प्लेट
all about the presentation.
agreed
Presentation has to be that part of the food is
Are we gonna put it
important.
all in the thing?
Oh my
कि
God.
आपका खाना जितना प्यारा देखने में लग रहा है उतना ही प्यारा
खाने में भी लगे. Exactly.
So, मैं इसके सख्त खिलाफ हूँ कि प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छी ना हो. You know, I used to make
सख्त
fun
खिलाफ.
plates and decoration करके.
अच्छा, can I do the decoration?
Acha, can I just plug in something here? Mandana is the most aesthetic person that I know because I've been to her house a few times and mashallah the way that she's decorated her house is impeccable. So ये तो मुझे पता है कि आपको बड़ा शौक है इन चीज़ों का.
Decoration is very
ठीक है, वो I agree.
का पता ही तब से चलता है जो आपने खाना प्यारा सा लगाया हुआ हो,
Agreed, agreed.
खूबसूरत लग रहा हो.
This.
Everybody watching this episode of Chef Sophie and Friends, we have our Pakistani version of Salt Bay. Sanjana. Ooh la la. There you go. I like that. I like that. Aww.
Yeah, cheers.
Oh, so
Okay.
like, it's rarely ever like this, by
Maybe
the way.
some walnuts.
Someone.
like that.
यार तुम लोगों ने लेमन जूस भी डाला था कि नहीं?
हाँ, लेमन जूस हम थोड़ा सा एक चम्मच डाल देते हैं.
हाँ. ये लो.
ज़्यादा नहीं.
हाँ.
And
छोटा चम्मच छोटा चलो वो डालो.
चलो आधा डाल दो. Okay. And all of these ingredients are courtesy of Food Forest. Again, thank you so very much, guys. We love, love, love the taste of each and everything that you
और
guys
डालना है
sent our
बस?
way.
बहुत है.
yeah, and if someone wants more, they can add more.
Yeah.
That's the best part.
ये तो फ्लेवर पे डिपेंड करता है कि अभी खा के हम सोफी को खिला कर
I love this presentation. I absolutely love this presentation. और बड़े मजे का लग रहा है यार.
ओके जी. So
Is it good?
Oh, you like it?
It's really nice.
Sophie likes it. So हमारी डिश रेडी है. हमारी प्रेजेंटेशन.
You do understand कि मैंने ये दो bowls क्यों रखे हैं ना? It's for color, for adding color.
I think he loves. It's
Dream.
part of the kitchen.
Yeah, it's part of the kitchen.
And this is now our dish is ready and
Ta-da!
प्रेजेंटेशन आप किसी चीज़ से भी कर सकते हैं. आप इसमें पुदीना भी लगा सकते हैं. आप इसमें कोई हरी मिर्च का वो भी लगा सकते हैं. स्पिनच का पूरा पत्ता भी रख सकते हैं. Anything that you
Anything.
like.
Or get a dish which has a bit of decor anyway, so
Yeah.
that आप इसको इसी तरह present कर दो.
Yes.
अच्छा, I want you to do something, Sanjana. Okay, hold the dish.
Put it on my head.
No, no, no. Hold the dish.
Assumptions. Jumping to conclusions.
No, no. Okay, have you? Okay, ठीक है. I want you to sell this dish within 10 seconds. This is what you've made. Okay, look at the camera, and you're selling the dish, and the name of the dish. You've made it. You're the chef. Okay, you have an audience over there.
I have to
Okay.
tell them to buy it.
Yeah. So 10 to 20 seconds. Your time starts now.
Please buy it. I have a family at home and they're dying. Please, please. मतलब, this is very awkward.
She doesn't look like she's married or has family at home.
Okay. I'll do it seriously.
So you were not taking
Yeah.
it
So
seriously.
family members dying.
They're dying.
हाँ.
Please, please. पैसे दे रहे हैं हमारे पास खाना नहीं है मैंने आपके लिए बनाया है ये प्लीज पैसे दे रहे हैं हमें
Sold, definitely. ना बच्चे ना, done. Okay guys, I had a really nice time. I must admit that this was the most exciting thing to watch because you guys were similar and also different at the same time. मतलब पता चल रहा था कि माँ बेटियाँ हैं, but at the same time आप लोगों की अपनी personalities चल रही थी यार. Good job, man. I would really want to give a huge round of applause to both of you. But now it's time for the competition. All right. So who do you think is going to win? Is it going to be Sanjana or is it going to be Mandana? Yeah. So Sanjana, do you think you're going to win?
I know.
Okay. Mandana, क्या ख्याल है यार? मतलब
जीत जाएगी ऐसी कर रही है.
जीत जाएगी. अच्छा. So this basket is courtesy of Food Forest. These guys are absolutely brilliant. So
Thank
what's your
you.
favorite
Kimchi.
part? Why? Why though?
I've never had it before and I know it's Korean and they're वो जो imported है ना Korean वो जो
हाँ.
package में आते हैं black,
हाँ, हाँ,
pink,
हाँ.
red ones,
हाँ.
the Samayang noodles.
Yeah.
I like the flavors. It's very spicy, but I still like the flavors and I mean I like.
Okay, so you can be the kimchi girl. Basically, the idea is to promote and encourage a lot of local entrepreneurs, or local farmers.
This is amazing.
This is amazing.
They have made an almond raisin and oat bar. तो ये वैसे तो बहुत ही महंगी मिलती हैं जो बाहर से आती हैं imported. So
But you
this
know,
is
Food
very good
Forest,
for-
when they got to know that you guys were coming over, they sent it especially for you guys.
Oh, thank you
know?
so much.
All right, so you guys ready to ball it out? Ta-da! Your time starts now. First of all, it's going to be tongue twister. Okay, so Sanjana, I'm going to start with you, the baby of the kitchen. All right. So you have to say this jaldi. Kacha papita, pakka papita. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
कच्चा पपीता पक्का पपीता कच्चा पपीता पक्का पपीता कच्चा पपीता पक्का पपीता
Papita, but good job, yaar.
I
Very
tried
good.
my best.
You tried your best. Okay, Mandana, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Kacha papad, pakka papad. Your
Oh.
time starts now.
कच्चा पापड़ पका पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पका पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पका पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पका पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पका पापड़
Mandana for the win! Mandana showed everybody कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़ कौन है. Okay, good job. Now this is going to be a bit. बेटा ज़्यादा खुश होने की जरूरत नहीं है. अब आगे partner check का भी एक segment चल रहा है. Okay, let's see how well you guys know each other. So I'm going to ask this question to Mandana first. Mandana, मुझे बताओ, what is Sanjana's favorite cuisine?
You don't know this.
She loves pasta.
Yes,
and she
that's true.
loves Chinese.
True.
She basically loves food.
Agreed.
So any form of food that is from outside, not homemade.
Homemade, I do like homemade.
Yeah, when she cooks it herself.
No, not that either.
Oh,
As you can see the banter. Okay, good job. Next one. One food item she simply cannot say no to.
desi or
Well, that depends.
well, she can't say no to biryani.
Is that true? Okay, good job.
I don't think anyone can.
Yeah, but
No, a lot of people can.
Yeah, lots of people can. Okay, one food item that you think that she'd rather avoid, that she wouldn't be too excited to eat.
Dal chawal.
No, I like dal chawal. I've like you could. It's wrong.
Ten.
Incorrect.
Okay.
Sabzi.
Ten.
No,
Okay.
not that.
All
right.
Fruit. I don't like fruit.
Yeah, sabzi and fruit.
I like sabzi. I don't like fruit.
What sabzi?
अभी ये सब्जी का क्या हमने पकाया?
अच्छा ठीक.
Mandana and Sanjana. Okay, your favorite place to eat in the city. Her favorite place to eat in the city.
There are a lot of them, but I think she loves eating Veera 5.
Really? Oh, nice. Okay, last but certainly not the least. So, do you think you can win this, Mandana? Just one answer which is wrong, okay? That one dish that she makes really well.
Oh. I think she really makes this dish very well.
Really?
That's the best.
Okay, taking a bow.
शोखियाँ मार रहे हैं।
शोखियाँ मारे. Good job, Mandana. Not bad. So, I'll give you some clapping for that.
Thank you, thank you,
But
thank
let's see
If Sanjana knows
can
her
beat
at
your
all.
score. Because this is going to be easy, but it's a bit tricky. Sanjana, you ready?
Okay, I just have to remind you, I don't know her at all. She's a complete stranger to me. I don't know who this person is. I don't know why I'm here.
Okay, the first round was won by Mandana. The second round
Okay.
we'll have to see. Okay, you ready? Now you have to translate this into Urdu. Okay.
Acha.
What am I
Oh,
talking about? Fruit or vegetable? Say it. तैयार हो?
तैयार.
Pear.
Pear. Shit! Why don't I know this? आड़ू नहीं. तुझे
Naspati. That's right. Okay, next.
हर रोज बोलती हूँ, हर चीज
Eggplant.
खाती हूँ.
Eggplant.
Oh, वो बैंगन.
Good job. Zucchini.
खीरा?
नहीं.
No.
नहीं. Looks like a kheera, but it's not.
What is zucchini? Isn't zucchini?
You don't like it.
I don't
you
know
don't
what
like sabzis.
zucchini is. I'm so stupid.
जिस तरह तोरी होती है ना हम लोगों की,
तोरी।
ठीक है?
Oh,
उस type
it's
की.
तोरी.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
Turnip. This is easy.
I'm so stupid. I don't like this.
Shaljam.
Shaljam. Okay. Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
कद्दू.
Yeah, हमारा कद्दू.
अच्छा. Next. Apricot. ये तो मजा.
Apricot.
मैंने पहले नहीं कहा था.
Apricot नहीं था वो
हाँ,
संजना.
हाँ.
खुमानी.
खुबानी. ठीक है. Okay. गुआवा. ये तो बहुत easy है यार. Guava's juice that people have. आड़ू नहीं मेरे बच्चे. I'm going to give her the gift hamper. It's Sanjana's. Woo! Sanjana, you deserve this gift hamper.
Did I skip kindergarten?
No,
क्या
no,
किया है?
because your expressions were priceless. Nothing Mandana said could be worth it. So clapping for Sanjana. You clearly won. How do you feel?
Heavy.
आज जाके घर में
मुझे
सारे
कुछ
सब्जियों के
नहीं
नाम
आता।
बताओ, फलों के नाम संजना
I just bring veg.
और अगर आप लोग को भी नहीं आता तो आप लोग भी याद करें.
अरे veg ही तो आती है ना
मेरा
मुझे।
ये ख्याल है सोफी
हाँ।
कि हम लोग बहुत for granted लेते हैं कि हमारी ज़बान में
हाँ।
हमें छोटी छोटी चीजें के नाम नहीं आते. कई दफा हमें सब्जियों के और फलों के नाम नहीं आते हैं बिकॉज हमारा एम्फेसिस नहीं है, हम
नहीं।
बोलते नहीं हो
हाँ.
I apologize.
No, not at all, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody watching
नहीं
this
मुझे उर्दू तो
episode.
आती है, मैं बोल तो सकती हूँ, मुझे बस समझ नहीं आ रही भाई.
Nee, we understand. Okay, this was just a fun segment. We hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so very much,
Yay.
Mandana and Sanjana. You must follow them online as well. This guy is very funny. I'm saying guy because you know, I feel कि आजकल there are so many things that are in my head. But whenever I look at her, I feel that she has broken the stereotypes when it comes to gender in Pakistan
Yes.
as a kid. And I think that's very important. So I would say girl, guy, whatever, but I feel that you are a fantastic person. And I think you are a role model for a lot of different kids in Pakistan. So good job right there, Sanjana.
Thank you.
Okay, she's the Kimchi Girls. Eid Mubarak to both of you.
Thank you.
And lots of luck to
Eid
everybody.
Mubarak. Bye. Eid Mubarak.
यार पास्ता तो खाएं यार ईद मुबारक हाँ चल see you later